higher, saying yeah. Hey. Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you.
Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Guess what I'm sitting in today? Bar stools, because I finally got furniture. Well, furniture's arriving all day today. So I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. First, I have bar stools. As you can see, I am currently spinning in. But yeah, I got these cream, I think they're cream, but on the label it says gray, but it looks cream to me, so I keep calling them cream. This is how they look. Y'all let me know if they're cream or if they are gray, because it looks cream to me. I got 4 bar stools just because I do have a large island, and they all fit but not comfortable. I feel like if 4 people were sitting here, they would be really close. Maybe. I don't know if I should take one of them back and just do 3, or if I should keep 4. Because I have been getting everything in sets of 4, so I'm not sure if I want to keep that going even with the bar stools, or just get 3 because it looks a little better. I don't know. Because right now, I'll show you guys, hold on. Okay, this is how it looks right now. You see 4 chairs, and although they're all sitting comfortable, I'm not sure if I want to keep 4 up in here. I'm not really sure if they'll have enough room. Kind of. It's because I feel comfortable right now, but then I also have a chair really close to me right here, and then I have one that's really close to me right here. And I feel fine, but if someone was on side of me, I think we would be bumping arms a little bit. Unless once they pull it out, they push it on an angle a little bit. That way it gives them a little bit more room. And then a person on this side can push it out. But I'm not sure if I want to do that or if I want to just completely get rid of one of the chairs. Because if I take this chair and completely get rid of it, then it looks like this. So I'm not sure if I want to just keep it 3s to where they all look comfortable and it doesn't look so compact. Or if I want to keep the everything 4s tradition going and just leave the 4th one. Like this. So y'all let me know, should I leave it as 4 or should I just, minimize it down to 3? Let me know. And then also, what color is this? Because it looks cream, but then again, it looks gray. Granted, my sofa is going to be delivered in about 10 minutes. I just got a text message from the driver, and the sofa is cream. So I'm going to compare it to the sofa and see exactly what color it is, but yeah, we'll see.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah, something.
Okay, so they just come from delivering the sofa, and it looks so freaking good. I love it. And this is the chair. So it's a little different up against the sofa, but I still like it because if I take this pillow and I put it on top of here, you can clearly see the difference. So now I'm not sure if I want to bring the bar stools back because it doesn't match, or if I want to just keep it, because these bar stools were $80 from Burlington. Although I initially didn't care for the buttons at the back of it, they're so soft, it's the same material, and they look so quality. They just look so glam. but I definitely see the difference in color. I wish there was a way for me to make this that color. Maybe get some fabric and just put it on here. I don't know, we'll see. I'll see what I end up doing. But the sofa is here to stay because it was originally $2,000, but I ended up getting it for $900. So the sofa is staying because that was more of a headache to get than the bar stools. I'm just talking and you guys cannot even see me, and I'm not adjusting this camera because we're talking about these bar stools right now. But I think I'm going to take this pillow and bring it to the store with me because I have 2 swivel chairs that I want to get. They're on sale for $200 each. So for $500, I can get the 2 chairs and get them delivered to me tomorrow. Because if I'm still going to keep the chairs and it doesn't match the sofa, then I have to make sure that the other 2 swivel chairs match perfectly, because then it'll be 3 different colors and that'll be tacky. So I may decide to keep these regardless, just because if you look in the kitchen, the gray cabinets on the bottom matches this to a T. So I could just have those chairs in the kitchen, its own kind of theme, but at the same time it still matches a little bit because it's all the same material but slightly different colors. So if I do decide to keep these chairs, then that means that the swivel chairs that I get for the living room has to be an exact match to the pillows and the sofa. Okay, so that is the furniture update so far. Me and my handy dandy pillow are about to go to the furniture store just to make sure that those chairs match my sofa. So that's what I'm about to do. I just have on this jumpsuit from Shein, and I put this little cover up or shirt from Shein as well over it just because the jumper looks really sexy. And since it's in the middle of the day and it's not nighttime, I don't feel the need to be extra sexy. So I just put this on to tone outfit down just a little bit. So this is what I have on. And I just have on some Nikes, very mixed mag, but I don't really feel like doing the most. Just cute and comfortable outfit. Okay, so I just made it to the store, me and my handy dandy pillow. So I'm gonna go find the love seats that I want, and I'm going to see if they match this pillow. And if they do, I'm getting them. And if not, I guess I'm going to have to keep on looking. So let's go see if it matches. Okay, here's a cute one. This is not the one I wanted, but it matches. But yeah, let's keep looking for the one I wanted. Okay, here they go. Here's the chairs that I initially wanted. And here's my pillow, so let's see if it matches. Ooh, it's almost a perfect matcher. Kind of. It seems like my pillow is a little bit more orangey than these. Maybe. It seems like my pillow is a little darker. If you guys can see, look at the edges of it. And then look at the sofa or the love seat, whatever. This is not a love seat, this is a chair. And it swiggles. Okay, so although the chairs are a little off, I'm still going to get it. I'm just going to try to get a rug that ties it all in. I was thinking about getting this exact same rug just because it has the grayish tones that will tie in the bar stools. But then it also have brown, so I can pop it out with other colors. And then it has black. So if I decide to paint my legs on the sofa or even the bar stools, the bottom of them black, because it has some black in it, it'll pop that out as well. And this is a 5x7, I think, but they do have it in 8x10 too. And an 8x10 is like the size of this. This rug is an 8x10. So I think that'll be just big enough for the rug to fit. So yeah, I think I'm going to get this rug just because it is the last one in stock. So if I don't get it right now, I'll have to wait until August. So I think thank you. So I think I'm just going to go ahead on and get it. But then again, I don't want me just kind of being over the process of looking, you know, force me into getting something that I'm not 100% happy with. I know that I love my couch. I know that I love these chairs, and they're on sale for $200. So I know that I want to get those. But the rug, I'm not 100% sold on just because I haven't started looking. Okay, thank you. I haven't really started looking at rugs because I was trying to get all of the sofas first. So if I don't get this rug and I go looking and then I don't find anything else better, I'll have to wait until August because it's the last one in stock. But if I buy it and I don't like it, then I have 48 hours plus a 15% restocking fee to return it. Okay, I've decided to get the rug. And if I hate it, then I waste my money. But I would rather waste my money than to have to wait until August. So the rug is coming with us, as well as the chairs. So I'm gonna go ahead on and get this rug and these chairs, and I'll see you guys when I make it back home. Hey ladies, it's the next morning. Last night after I got my furniture, I went to H-E-B, got a bunch of groceries, which I'm gonna show you guys in a second. And my phone screen freezed up, so I spent the next couple hours trying to figure out how to reset it without touching the screen. And by the time I finally finished that up, I just took a shower, did my night routine, and then went to bed. And I don't know if you guys remember this from a previous vlog, but it's the edge line little thing.
All night. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you.
Hey ladies, it's the next day. I just got a phone call that said my furniture is about 15 minutes out. Well, that was about 15 minutes ago, so that they should be here any second now. But more furniture, because I know you guys seen, I think Monday I got the sofa, but now they're going to deliver the chairs, because I wanted the sofa and 2 chairs. So yeah, I should probably move these bar stools out the way so that they can move freely. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Hold on. I'm good, Harry.
Did you want to roll this up?
Yes, please. Oh my God. Cute images.
Well, come through and chill.
Okay, so they just left. I'll admit, I don't like the rug as much as I thought I was going to, but I do love the sofas, and they do not match. I think they're a little off, but I mean, unless I want to pay a 15% restocking fee plus delivery back there, I think I'm kind of stuck with it. So I don't know, I'll show you guys. Okay, here's the sofa, and there's the rug, and here's the 2 chairs. So it's definitely different colors. It's the same texture, and I do like the fact that it has the same lines in it, but I'll be lying if I said it didn't bother me just a little bit. But maybe it'll stop it from looking so matchy-match. So it may end up being a blessing in disguise. This is the bar stools, gray. These are the chairs, cream. And the other one's behind me. And this is the sofa, another darker cream. So I think, I don't know. And it's all velvet, and I was told not to do velvet on velvet after I purchase everything. So do you guys think it's too much velvet? And do you think these creams match? Should I return these chairs? And I have 48 hours, so I'm going to post this video tonight so you guys can give me your opinion. But I know for sure I love the couch. But I'm not sold on these chairs. I think I got them because they were cheap and because they had the same lines on it, but I don't know if I want two completely different colors. Three technically, because the chairs, the sofa, and the bar stools are three completely different colors, and it's kind of throwing me off a little bit. But yeah, let me know you guys' opinion. This was the final result. I absolutely love the sofa. The rug tied everything in perfectly. I went ahead and took the pillows off of the sofa and put it on the chairs just to tie everything in that much more. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, I will see you guys later.